Hello everyone, welcome to Finance Wisdom. In this video, we're going to talk about a list of side hustles to earn more money in this year. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. Despite the fact that there are many incredible films on the topic of side hustles to be found on YouTube, we've discovered that the best side hustles to make money online or from home are seldom highlighted on the platform. We're going to discuss everything that has to do with making more money and developing wealth, and today I'm going to present 10 side hustles that we may do if we want to do any kind of side hustle that interests us. Some are easier to start than others, and some make more money, but with some of them, you could make over $1,000 in a single day or even more. This is something that has to be done by people as well, but we won't discuss it until later in the video. Even though it may seem to be a small act, your support of the channel encouragement for me to continue providing you with videos and other materials are much appreciated. Now, without further ado, let's get started with these supplemental income opportunities. First on the list is to sign up to be a mystery shopper. We are aware that this may appear to be a mystery, but it is actually quite simple. Many companies are interested in the customer experience of their store, whether it be their online store or their physical store. They want to know how their customer reps and cashiers are doing, so they pay people to be mystery shoppers who go into the stores, buy a few items, and document their shopping experience. There are a lot of websites where you can sign up to be a mystery shopper. The second thing you should know is that your favorite influencers don't know you to know that every time you click on one of their links and then buy the product, they get paid. This is especially true if the link is to Amazon, where you can become an Amazon associate. Of course, to do this, you will need an audience, and in order to build one, you'll need to do your homework on how to attract new viewers. Third is to start working as a ghostwriter. These days, it seems like everyone and their mother is releasing a book, but if you assume that they all sat down and wrote the book by themselves, you are mistaken. They have other people, known as ghostwriters, even though they may be the ones who come up with the ideas and may be the ones who hold the rights to all of the material. There are still some others working behind the scenes who sometimes write for them. They are referred to as ghostwriters. A ghostwriter may make up to $40,000 on Fiverr.com, while a freelance writer has the potential to earn up to $38,000. Therefore, if you are talented at writing and like nothing more than settling down with a pen and paper, you really need to give this a second thought. Participating in a focus group for the purpose of doing market research is our fourth tip. It is possible that you may get cash remuneration for taking part in a marketing focus group while playing the character that is most natural to you. They want to hear this perspective because they want to sell their products to all of these different kinds of people. Hence, all you need to do to begin being paid to your voice, your unique opinion on a product or service is to identify a marketing focus group in your neighborhood and join it. Fifth, you may start your own business as a personal shopper and work for yourself as an employee. It is a thing. It is for affluent people who do not want to buy it for themselves, and that is where you come in. There are websites that link individuals who do not want to shop with personal shoppers. You may connect with wealthy people who do not want to shop by visiting one of these websites. Yes, it is a reality. It caters to rich individuals who do not like to do their own shopping. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Working from home as a virtual assistant is option number 6. If you are well organized, skilled at multitasking, and are familiar with how to use social media, you may be able to help a small business owner or even a big business owner and get paid for your services. On the website, you may sign up to become a virtual assistant, and in addition to earn money, you might end up saving the life of a business owner. Home sitting is the seventh position on the list, and I prefer to think of it as being paid to enjoy luxury. The employment at issue is known as house sitting. Some people have second homes or vacation properties, and because they don't want to leave them unoccupied while they're gone, they hire house sitters to live in their houses and look after their properties while they're away. This allows them to avoid having to worry about the security of their homes. Eighth, you have to work on building up the confidence necessary to start invest your money. Let me know in the comment if you'd like to see videos on this channel that are related to investment. If you'd like to learn how to make money via investing. If you are interested in hearing more about this topic, please let me know in the comment section. For the time being, we will mostly be discussing business, ways to make money, additional sources of income, and other related topics. 9 on the list are offering assistance to job searchers in the areas of resume and cover letter writing. It shouldn't be too difficult to get started with this one. All you have to do is promote your services on LinkedIn, assuming you don't already have an account there. If you don't have a LinkedIn account, you should get one. People are continuously going to LinkedIn in order to hunt for employment and also look for people who can help them clean up their resumes, cover letters, or LinkedIn profiles in order for them to acquire excellent jobs. The last recommendation, which comes in at number 10, is to put your graphic design abilities to the test by taking part in a competition to develop logos on the website 99designs.com. You may submit your designs for consideration by other users. It is not restricted to the production of things like logos, website designs for t-shirt, and other such items. 99designs.com provide all of the resources that a designer may possibly need. I really hope that you are able to find the courage and self-assurance to start putting these lessons into action. When you leave comments informing us how much you've gained from watching these videos, we really enjoy reading them. When you can get past your fears and beliefs that hold you back, you will take responsibility for your actions. I am grateful that you chose to watch. I really hope that you were able to pick up some useful information from this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, do give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Thank you and goodbye.